Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add the mute command onto your Discord server. So the first step, you're obviously going to have to open Discord. Everyone knows that. This is my Discord server. It's called Hangout. You can join. My username is K9 and my number is 2520. So you can friend me, I'll accept it, and I'll invite you to my server because I want people on my server. So I'm going to create a test server. You can just do this on your own server if you don't already have it. Just want to be test server. So say this is your server. The first step is you're going to have to go to Google. Really. You're going to have to go to carl.gg. Carl, CARL.gg space. Then you're gonna have to press invite. Select a server. It's going to be on my test server. It can be on your server, but it's going to be on my test server. The CarlBot must be able to do all this, so do not disable any of these. It must be able to do every single one of them. So authorize. Then you're going to have to press I am human. You hear that? That was Carl landing on my server. CarlBot is not on my server. So the command you're going to need to type in to enable the mute command is !mute role space create space !mute . Do I sound weird? Because I feel like I sound weird. Then you're gonna have to do enter. That's it being created. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna find Wick. I'll use Wick. Add to server. It's going to be on my test server. You don't need to do this. Authorize. Say Wick is a person on my server. That Wick is just like spamming. Then I'd be like question mark or exclamation mark. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna use question mark mute space at Wick for 15 minutes or seconds or days. It doesn't really matter. I'll do seconds. And then you're going to have to press space. Then this is going to be the reason. Spamming. Wick has been muted. Yes. Take that, Wick. That's why you're not supposed to spam. Don't spam. So make sure to like and subscribe because I taught you how to do this. If I teach you how to do something, you need to pay back. Okay? Don't make me delete this video. So, now that you know how to do this, good job. I hope you have a successful server. Also, I'm trying to raise $100 so that I can get Discord Nitro. Goodbye. Sure, like and subscribe.